Alrighty, this video is going to be on why you should not buy an eBay EGR delete or cold side intake pipe. I bought one. I was in a rush. I didn't really care, but let me show you here. Here is a good one. Most of the better brands like HSP, etc., all have this piece right here, the support piece. This causes so that Y bridge can't push out. It's solid right there. And then it's got a big beefy one down here as well. This is a cheap eBay one. This one has these like four brackets, or 3 brackets here. And really, none of them lined up. This one didn't line up. This one didn't line up. This is the only one that lined up. And as you can see, vibrations caused it to crack, or to actually break. Here's the leftover piece of it. So basically it's in there like this, in there like that. That piece was on there, and then when that broke, this caused it to wiggle and jiggle, and then my Y bridge right here came out and the O-rings blew out, so I built no boost, and yeah, I had a boost leak. So honestly, it wasn't bad. I probably put 10,000 miles on it actually. I actually put 10,000 miles on it. Did great, worked fine, didn't leak or anything until that broke. Just shows kind of the cheaper China quality, I guess. If that didn't break, I want to bet it'd probably last forever, honestly. I don't really make over 30 pounds of boost in this truck, so it's not crazy numbers. But yeah, kind of wishing I would have done it right the first time. It's not a huge deal to me, but yeah, so just thought I'd make a little video. But yeah, better just to buy a good one. This is WC Fab or Worley Customs, whatever you want to say. This one's really high quality, powder coated. I got it all dirty already, but look how thick those brackets are compared to these thin little guys. So this ain't going nowhere. It ain't gonna break. So yeah, that is why you should always buy a good one. I'll show you, maybe make a video here in a couple thousand miles and see how this one's held up. I have no doubt it will do just fine, and yeah.